This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Photos and signing into the Google account you want to use. This ties uploads to your storage quota and keeps images organized. Once signed in, grant the app necessary permissions so it can read and upload files. Without that, backup won't start. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection or enable mobile data uploads, and consider requiring charging to avoid battery drain. This step prevents partial uploads and explains why immediate action matters. Once done with permissions, go to Settings and turn on Backup and Sync so uploads start automatically. This is the core toggle that controls the whole process. Next, choose Upload Quality. High quality reduces file size, original preserves full resolution and uses storage, so pick what fits your quota. Then select specific device folders to include or exclude, like WhatsApp or screenshots, to avoid cluttering the cloud. Making these choices now saves time and bandwidth later. To finish, confirm that photos appear in the Photos library and check the backup status at the top of the app. You should see syncing progress or a confirmation message. If uploads stall, force a sync by opening the app on Wi-Fi, toggling backup and sync off and on, or restarting the phone. These steps restart the background service. If problems persist, clear the app cache, update Google Photos, and verify your Google Drive storage. Exceeding quota or outdated app versions are common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.